Namaste and welcome to Familia Review Rocks. Today we are going to learn how to make delicious jalebi, a mouth-watering Indian sweet delicacy. So, let's get started. First, let's gather all the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup all-purpose flour, maida. 1 tablespoon chickpea flour, besan. 1 teaspoon yogurt. A half teaspoon turmeric powder, optional. A quarter teaspoon baking powder. 1 cup warm water. Vegetable oil for frying. In a mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour and chickpea flour. Add the yogurt, turmeric powder, if using, and baking powder. Mix everything well. Gradually add warm water to the mixture while stirring continuously. We want to achieve a smooth and thick batter consistency. Make sure there are no lumps. Cover the batter with a clean cloth and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This resting period allows the batter to ferment slightly and enhances the flavor of the jalebi. Now comes the fun part, frying the jalebi. For this, we will need a piping bag or a squeeze bottle with a small nozzle. Take a pan or kadhi and fill it with vegetable oil. Heat the oil on medium heat until it reaches the right temperature. To test if the oil is ready, drop a small amount of batter into the oil. If it sizzles and rises to the top immediately, the oil is ready. Fill the piping bag or squeeze bottle with the jalebi batter. Carefully squeeze the batter into the hot oil in a circular motion to form small spirals or pretzel-like shapes. Fry them until they turn golden brown and crispy. While the batter is resting, let's prepare the sugar syrup. For that, we will need 1 cup sugar, a half cup water, a few strands of saffron, optional, a half teaspoon cardamom powder. Host in a saucepan, add sugar and water. Heat the mixture over medium heat until the sugar dissolves completely. Then, add saffron strands, if using, and cardamom powder. Let it simmer for a few minutes until the syrup slightly thickens. Turn off the heat and set it aside. Once the jalebis are fried, remove them from the oil using a slotted spoon and immediately immerse them in the warm sugar syrup. Let them soak for about a minute or until they absorb the syrup and become soft. Our delicious jalebis are ready. You can serve them hot or at room temperature. They pair perfectly with a cup of hot chai. Enjoy! That's all for today's video on how to make jalebi. I hope you enjoyed it and found the recipe easy to follow. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, and share your jalebi making experience in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, happy cooking!